Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of your DARE essay. Yesterday and the day before, you would have worked on your introductory paragraph where you're grabbing the reader's attention and kind of introducing your entire DARE essay and what you were going to be talking about. So now we're going to be getting into the second paragraph, and it's the first paragraph of your body. You're going to have 3 paragraphs in the middle of this. Um, Again, something to always remember when we're starting a new paragraph, you go to the next line and then you're going to indent, whether you're on your Chromebook or you're handwriting it. You use either the tab key or your 2 finger spaces before you start writing that very first sentence of this paragraph. So in this paragraph, you're only going to be talking about one specific topic, and that one specific topic is what you learned during DARE. That's it. So you just need to think back. You may want to look back through your book to identify some things that maybe you didn't know before DARE. You could highlight some key points, jot some notes down, and then just simply start talking about some things you learned during your time with Officer Tessie. You're going to write probably 4 to 5 sentences again about the things that you've learned, and then you'll have today and tomorrow to work on this paragraph, and then we'll move into the next paragraph. So we're going nice and slow. So one piece of advice I would give you, since you have 2 days to do each of these paragraphs, maybe write it the first day, and then the next day come back and just reread it. See if it makes sense. See if you like how it sounds. See if you can add any more details or be more specific or change up some of the wording of it. One thing I want you guys to really focus on is that every sentence does not start with, I learned this in DARE. I learned this in DARE. Okay? Try and change up the beginnings of your sentences. Okay? So write your paragraphs. Maybe the next day come back and kind of tweak them, make them the best that you can. And then we will come back and work on our third paragraph. If you want us to take a look at it, absolutely, we can help you with that and kind of check it over. Have your parents read over it and make sure they think it makes sense. But again, this is your work. We want it to be your voice coming through, but they can check it to make sure things don't sound redundant or the same thing over and over and over again. Okay? Any questions, always shout out to Mr. Lund or myself, email us, send us through Seesaw. Anything you need, we're here to help. Okay? Good luck on paragraph 2.